Alright, sports fans, here is your first video for lesson 7.1, solving two-step equations. Now the first thing you're going to notice if you look at our equation is we have two different functions happening to our variable n, and you can see it's being multiplied and also subtractions with the 6, and so we need to undo both of those to find out what n equals. Now we have talked about this before, and we've even solved one-step equations, but in this case we're going to be solving, we're going to have to solve both the multiplication and the subtraction in order to find out what n equals. Anytime you solve two-step equations, we work backward from the order of operations, and so I'm going to begin with taking care of my addition subtraction instead of multiplying. So this is a used Kleenex. Just kidding. So the equation 3n minus 6 equals 15. The first thing I ask myself is what's happening to the variable? Like I already said, multiplication and subtraction. I do the opposite function with the same number, so instead of subtracting 6, I'm going to add 6 to both sides, leaving me with 3n equals 15 plus 6 is 21. Then I look and I see that, again, 3 is being multiplied to n, and so the opposite function with the same number. Again, this time a second time, so our second step, divide each by 3. And so 3 divided by 3, or 3 over 3, remember any number over itself is equal to 1, leaves me with 1n, or just plain n, equaling 21 divided by 3, that's a math fact, 7, so 1n equals 7. And again, remember, in order for us to be able to check our answer, I'm going to remember 1n equals 7 and plug it back into the original equation up top. And so, let me grab this. Anytime I see that variable, I'm going to plug in the value 7. So I'm going to do 3 times 7 minus 6, and that should give me the value of 15. So 3 times 7 is 21 minus 6, and that does equal 15, so this problem checks out.